statutory provision under civil law. The Code of Civil Procedure 1908 contains certain provision enjoining a duty upon the court to make effort and assist the parties in arriving at a settlement. These various provisions have been enacted with a view of amicably solving the dispute between the parties with the aid and assistance of the court and ensuring a just, fair and lasting solution of the controversy on an expedition basis. The provisions are also designed to put an end to available litigation and thus to reduce the burden of the court by cutting short a litigation which may otherwise become a protected affair. Section 89 and 90 with the 010, 014, 036, 023, 027, 032A, 037 of Civil Procedure Code contains such provisions. Special suit which also known as a friendly suit has been discussed under Section 90 of Code of Civil Procedure. In such suit, parties do not approach a court by presentation of a plaint as in done in ordinary civil litigations. They are, however, interested in the decision of any question of any fact or of law. They enter into an agreement within standing such question in the form of a case for the purpose of obtaining of the court. The court may decide the question if is satisfied that such question is fit to be decided. This way parties avoid long court proceedings but settle their dispute by settlement, which is considered a decree, and no appeal can be filed against such decree. It eliminates the chance of any further dispute, thus promotes amicable settlement of dispute and lower down the burden of court. Summary procedure. Another provision proceeding for speedy disposal of dispute is Order 37 of Code of Civil Procedure. It provides summary procedure in suit based on negotiable instrument or where the plaintiff seek to recover debt of liquidated amount. The essence of summary suit is that the defendant is not as in an ordinary suit entitled as of suit to defend within the suit. He must apply for leave to defend within the stipulated period of the 10 days. Such leave will be granted only if the affidavit filed by the defendant disclose such fact as will make it incumbent upon the plaintiff to prove consideration or such fact as the court may deem sufficient. This way plaintiff gets the relief immediately. It saves the time and reduces the burden of court. This provision applies to the high courts, city civil courts, courts of small causes and other courts. Special proceeding. This provision of special proceedings introduced by Code of Civil Procedure Amendment Bill 1999 is another very good provision for speedy and amicable settlement of dispute. Code of Civil Procedure Amendment Bill 1999 Clause 7 provides for the settlement of disputes outside the court. The provision Clause 7 are based on the recommendation of the 129th Law Commission report and Justice Malmuth Committee report. The court may require attendance of any party to the suit or proceeding. Justice Malmuth Committee recommended, making it obligatory for the court to refer the dispute. In view of the above, Clause 7(6) to insert a new Section 89 in the Code of Civil Procedure. The provision of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 shall apply as if the proceeding for arbitration or conciliation were referred for settlement under the provisions of the Act. If referred to Lok Adalat, the court shall refer the same to the Lok Adalat in accordance with the provision of Section 20 of the Legal Services Authority Act 1987 and all other provisions of that act shall apply in respect of the dispute so referred to the Lok Adalat.